Okay, now this is a camera on a satellite that goes around the sun. It's a long ways from Earth. It just like they sent it out and it sort of like goes around the sun and it can see the other side of the sun and stuff like that. So it sees Earth from a long ways away. And it has capacity to, if you look at this, um, 5 cameras with extreme ultraviolet imager, which means it can see more than visible light by a lot, like a lot more than visible light. And it shows up some pretty interesting things because, like, if you look on this camera on the space station, you can't see stars, you can't see anything. There's a UFO, right? But why can't you see the stars? Because they're not there anymore. Um, but if you look here, this is the Sechi. This is this camera here taking this picture, and it's interesting because this is 2012. This is, remember, the Mayan calendar is supposed to end December 12th or December 2012. This is December 2012, and look what happens to Earth. Earth is right here, and yeah, there, that hits it right there. Look at it, December 12th, almost Christmas Day. Like boom, right there. Now this thing is as huge. The sun is about the size of, like, I don't know. It's about that big or something. Here, it's over here. This thing is so much huger than the sun, and it hits Earth right on December 12th, 2012. So I mean, that's just weird, right? But there's Venus there. You can see all this other stuff in here. Like, what is all this stuff? Is it on this side of Earth? Like, is it everywhere? In our, or is it way out there? I think it's actually closer to us because this thing seems to be in front of this thing. Like all this stuff seems to be in front of this big ball that's hitting Earth. So you would think this is all within our solar system. All these little particles here, all these little things that ultraviolet camera can see. Um, and I just wanted to show this because it's very interesting. Um, See, you can see the sun is shooting out like this. This thing is huge, very huge. There's so much happening in other. We should really have cameras that can see stuff. We, we should be doing research into this. Why aren't we publicly doing research into this? More or less, it's just covered up completely. And if you talk about this stuff, you're considered strange, crazy, whatever. And but it's real. It's happening. It's right there. Look at that. December 12th, 2012. It hit Earth. From what I understand, that's Earth. Um, and anyways, that's what he was saying at one point. Anyways, he studied it quite a bit, but um, anyways, the fact is, there's all this stuff in other dimensions or at beyond visible light that we can't see, but it's really there for sure, and we should be studying this stuff